Alright, check this out. I got a 2001, 2002 Chevy Tahoe. Now, I'm gonna tell you something I found out. It cost me $1,000 to learn this. The motherfucking, I was driving and I was in the rain, and I don't know if, what happened. I know the top of them gas tanks on those cars, on them trucks, they rust to where you can't screw the lock and circle down on the gas tank, because them the ends that you lock the gas tank down with, like the hooks that you put the ring on there, you turn the hook, turn the ring and lock it, them rust off. So it rusted off. Okay, bam. Think something got in my gas tank, maybe some rust or maybe some bullshit from water, because when it rains, it gets on top of that motherfucker. Okay, it got on top of it and fucked it up. The car was backfiring, sputtering and spitting and wouldn't go. I got it home, and then I took like the car pack plugs off to see if that was the problem, and the car packs weren't working. So I'm like, damn, the car packs weren't bad. So I switched the car packs with some more sides, because one side of the car packs weren't working. When I switched the sides, the car pack still wasn't working in them terminals. So I'm like, damn. So I took out the plugs, and I took out the wires, and I took out all the shit, and it still wasn't working. I'm like, god damn. Come to find out, the injectors was clogged up. Now, I didn't know that. I didn't know that the injectors was clogged up. I thought that the shit just wasn't working and it was just all fucked up, but the injectors was clogged up. I ended up, I didn't know that until I put it in the shop. I got a diagnosis and found out it was the injectors. So what ended up happening is they was clogged up. When them injectors on them trucks and shit misfire and all this and that, because 1.7 was never working. It was always a misfire and sealing a 7, when all the time that injector was not working. The car always had a miss, the injectors was not working. So I ended up putting it in the shop. They told me what it was, took it out, went and bought some injectors, put them in, the car run brand new. The truck, 2001, 2000 Chevy Tahoe. You know what I'm saying? I got two of them, you know, but one of them was fucked up, but they're the same thing. But the car packs, it don't all the time be that. I replaced that. I replaced the wiring harness and everything. Plugs, wires, and everything, man. And it was the injectors. Wasn't even coming on. Hope this helps somebody, because this shit drove me crazy. I worked on my car so fucking long, and for a week straight had to get it towed home and shit, and my back was hurt. And if I know it was the injectors had got clogged up and they wasn't working, 3 of them. It was 3, it was 1, 3, 5, and 7. 3, 5, 7 wasn't working. So I had to replace those, but I replaced all of them on that side. And that fixed the problem. Hope this helps somebody. Peace.